Tired of Basecamp and ready to cut ties completely? First, log into your Basecamp account using your credentials. Once you're in, look for your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen and give that a click. A drop-down menu will appear from this menu. Select My Profile. This will take you to your personal profile settings page. Now, navigate to the Account tab. It might also just be a link labeled Account. You will usually find this on the left-hand side or top of the screen. Scroll down, all the way down, until you find the Close My Account button. This is usually written in red, so it should stand out. Click on it, but be absolutely certain about this decision as there's no going back. Basecamp will now present you with a confirmation page detailing the consequences of closing your account. Read this very carefully. It will explain that all your data, projects, and files will be permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. Typically, you'll need to tick a checkbox or to confirming you understand before proceeding. Finally, click the Confirm Account Closure button to permanently delete your account. You will likely be redirected to the Basecamp homepage, or a confirmation message will appear, and that's it. Your Basecamp account is now history. Remember, all your data is gone. Be sure you've downloaded anything important before taking this final step.